Hello, this is Mark from Productive Computing and Productive Computing University. Thanks for joining us on this video. Wanted to announce a course update here at Productive Computing University. The name of the course is AI Essentials for FileMaker Developers. We built this course with the idea of helping you understand how to connect AI with FileMaker. And the beauty of this course is it starts at the very beginning, and you can use your existing FileMaker skills to get started right away. If you're using FileMaker 2025 or above, you have an additional advantage in that those script steps don't require the use of JSON in order to do a basic request and get a basic result from AI. So you can get started right away with almost no additional skills and really have meaningful connections to AI with FileMaker. But the course doesn't stop there. It actually evolves and shows you how to use a traditional API call using insert from URL, which then supports older versions of FileMaker. And using these traditional calls, it opens up your world to even more capability and more functionality, where you can do image analysis, sound identification, in other words, convert text from audio. You can do image creation, which also is featured in the course. You can analyze PDFs, break them down, tag them. We talk about semantic search using the FileMaker functionality. So we cover a wide variety of AI integration possibilities, all in this one course. In fact, it's growing rapidly. It's one of the most updated courses here at the university. We're now, as of this recording here, we are mid-2025, and we are over 9 hours of content and growing rapidly with every update. So this is something you definitely want to check out, especially if you're brand new to the world of AI and you feel like you're already a little bit behind the curve on this. This is the course for you because we do start at the very beginning, and we also talk a lot about the terminology and lots of practical use cases. It's not just theoretical. It's not just a bunch of jargon. It's really hands-on, starting at the beginning, very practical course information meant specifically for the FileMaker developer. So to learn more, come visit us at Productive Computing University, and you can enroll in the course called AI Essentials for FileMaker Developers. Now what we'll do is we'll take a few minutes and I'll go over each of the course sections as of this recording, so you can get an idea a little bit more in detail about what each section covers and what kind of landscape we're talking about when it comes to AI integration with FileMaker. So the course is broken into 9 sections. Here we restate the overview. I do a brief introduction to how to use the course. If you've already taken courses from Productive Computing University, you already know how to use the course. Then I do a welcome, which is this video right here, a little bit about me, and the version history. This is where you can keep track of the different changes in the course over time. Then we have the orientation, introduction to AI, and AI terminology. This sets the stage, especially if you're brand new to the world of AI. Then we have a dedicated section for consumer AI. This talks about how we can use ChatGPT and other consumer-facing products to help us as developers. So we have a dedicated section for that. Then below that, we have a brand new section, which is the LLM Integration Beginner. This is specifically for you if you are using FileMaker 2025 or newer, where you can take advantage of the latest and greatest script steps in FileMaker, which incidentally is an easier way to begin with AI integration because these lessons in this section do not require the use of JSON, whereas some of the other lessons do. So that's your beginner lesson. Just like the beginner lesson, this is the advanced lesson, also for you if you're using FileMaker 2025 or higher. Both of these lesson sections use OpenAI as the provider. Then we have GPT integration, OpenAI. Here in this section, this is more of a traditional way to approach integration with an API like OpenAI. We'll be using the insert from URL script step, and this is both good and bad. It's good in that it's very powerful and it allows us access to the entire platform of OpenAI or any platform that you want to connect to. But it's a slight disadvantage where you now have to work a little bit with JSON and curl structures. In any case, these lessons start easy and then get further robust as they move along. But if you follow it closely, many with a downloadable demo, you'll have no problem getting your arms around this by the time you get through it all. And as you can see towards the end, we get to some exciting areas. We talk about data summarization, sentiment analysis. We take some examples where we analyze the world's tallest buildings. We talk about memory and context, a little bit about pricing. We explore searching through the web, creating images, analyzing and categorizing images, and a lot more to come in this section. Then we have a dedicated section for semantic search, which is a totally different aspect of working with AI. This is the idea of searching records by their meaning, which allows you to find things if you don't know the exact keywords or terminology. You can think of it as more of a relaxed find. Then you get a semantic ranking, which then ranks the records from most relevant to least relevant. So we learn all about training your data and utilizing the built-in semantic search capabilities of FileMaker. Then finally, we close with a multimodal AI Google Gemini dedicated section. We repeat some of the same technologies and concepts, except now we're doing it with Google. And here we do advanced AI, where we can analyze audio, images, do additional web searches, analyze PDF files, and even generate images. And then we close with a congratulations and what's next, and then an announcement if you bought the entire Productive Computing University bundle, how you can get 2 free 45-minute meetings with me as office hours each year. I believe that once you get through all of these lessons, you will be armed and equipped with not only workable demo files that you'll be able to immediately turn around and integrate into your own systems, but you'll have the fundamental knowledge of how AI works, and you will no longer be cloudy about your understanding of AI. You will be clairvoyant, and you'll be able to say, if we put this with that and move this together, we will have the answers we're looking for in the kinds of data that we're trying to analyze, or the kind of questions that our users have that we want to somehow superimpose and commingle with our FileMaker systems. It's really revolutionary, and we're on the dawn of something really remarkable. So whether you're new to AI or looking to deepen your understanding, this course will help you take your FileMaker solutions to the next level, and we're excited to have you join us. If you are interested in this course, you may want to consider investing in the University Bundle, which gives you access to our entire course library for 1 yearly subscription price. So to learn more, you can find us at productivecomputinguniversity.com. Thanks again for joining us on this video, and we hope to see you in one of our courses, especially if you want to learn AI from the ground up as it works with Claris FileMaker Pro. Love to have you. See you there. Thanks for watching.